Hey there, tech enthusiasts and home security buffs. Today, we're diving into the world of smart doorbells with the latest and greatest from Ring. Buckle up, because this little device is about to revolutionize the way you answer your door. Alright, let's cut to the chase. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired is not your average doorbell. This bad boy is packed with features that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without it. Picture this, you're lounging on the couch, binge-watching your favorite show, when suddenly your phone buzzes. It's your Ring app, showing you a crystal-clear video of the pizza delivery guy at your door. No need to pause your show, or even get up. You can see, hear, and talk to visitors right from your smartphone. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. This newest model comes with advanced motion detection. That means it's smart enough to know the difference between a passing car and someone actually approaching your door. No more false alarms waking you up at 3 a.m. because a stray cat decided to take a stroll on your porch. Now, let's talk about that HD camera. We're talking crisp, clear video that'll make you feel like you're standing right at your front door, even if you're miles away. Whether it's day or night, rain or shine, you'll always have a perfect view of what's going on outside. And here's the kicker: real-time alerts. The moment someone steps onto your property, you'll know about it. It's like having a personal security guard, minus the awkward small talk and coffee breaks. But here's the thing. This doorbell does require wiring, so, if you're not exactly handy with electrical stuff, you might want to consider calling in a pro for installation. Trust me, it's worth it for the peace of mind this little gadget brings. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth the investment? Well, let me put it this way. Can you put a price on knowing exactly who's at your door before you open it? On being able to tell the delivery person to leave the package in a safe spot when you're not home? On catching porch pirates in the act? The Ring Video Doorbell Wired is more than just a doorbell. It's your eyes and ears when you're not there. It's peace of mind in a sleek, compact package. And let's be real, it's also pretty darn cool to show off to your friends and family. So, if you're ready to upgrade your home security game and join the smart home revolution, the Ring Video Doorbell Wired is calling your name. Trust me, once you go Ring, you'll never want to go back to a regular old doorbell again. Don't just take my word for it though. Check out the link in the description and see for yourself why this little device is taking the home security world by storm. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome product reviews. Until next time, stay safe and stay smart.